Aguas. Bugambilia. Bugambilia. Bugambilia tree.
Or a camelina tree if you're in Michoacan.
All right, everybody, that's a bugambilia tree or a camelina tree, depending on where you are. Go for
Hey
it.
everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are in Santiago de Queretaro, and this is a city that has a lot of YouTubers.
Giving you a tour of where I've been living for the past year in Querétaro, Mexico.
My city is Querétaro.
The main reasons we came back, the weather is beautiful. People who know about Querétaro.
I've lived in Querétaro for 5 years now.
And I want to show you a day in my life in Querétaro.
Now there's 2 more YouTubers in the city.
But we're not moving here.
But we're not moving here. We're definitely not moving here.
Hola.
Hola. Way too many YouTubers over here already. So we decided to stop into the city center today because we just finished getting our tip completed and we wanted to take our facilitator out to lunch. So that's why we're here. Our horrible facilitator. In case you guys haven't seen the video of us going to the aduana in Querétaro, you guys can check that video out and you can see what a horrible facilitator job Sianja did. You'll understand once you go to that video. But anyway, we're here today and we'll be staying overnight. We'll show you guys in a little while what our Airbnb looks like. From what I understand, Brittany said it was extremely reasonably priced and it gives a lot of amenities. So we're looking forward to seeing that soon.
So fancy.
Yeah. We were talking, Sianja, Brittany and I were talking about what is so special about Querétaro, right? What makes Querétaro more special than all the other places in Mexico? Because Brittany and I have been here before, and we spent about a month here or so, and we did not understand why so many Americans, Canadians, and YouTubers live here in Querétaro. We just could not understand it. And walking through the streets and seeing the buildings and looking at the shops and all that stuff, still so far, Sianja, who is native to Mexico, and Brittany and I, who've been traveling around Mexico for quite some time, still don't see. Oh, hello. Hola. Querétaro has this little guy. Hola. We still don't see what the huge appeal is, but not that Querétaro is no bueno, it's just another beautiful place in Mexico. So you guys let us know in the comments, why do people move here in such droves and what makes it so special? We'd love to know what your thoughts are.
I think I just saw a sign over there. I don't know, does that say like don't throw garbage on the ground? Yeah, so you're not allowed to throw garbage.
I see some garbage
around.
though.
But there is garbage here.
Somebody didn't listen.
I think on one of our Mexico City videos, someone put a comment saying that when Joe was talking about how clean Mexico City is, someone was saying, oh, well, Querétaro is the cleanest city. And, well, I'm not so sure about that because it is a clean city, but I mean, you've seen litter and I don't know. I think it's all about perspective.
Yeah.
I don't like that. Yes, I remember that. And I remember because I walked on that one with my ankle almost broken.
Oh, that's horrible.
But even though I love that thing,
Yeah.
it's beautiful.
Oh, it's so good. I told Brittany that I wouldn't have minded moving there. Want to what though?
I like to visit. I don't know if I would like to live there,
Yeah.
but I do want to go there again.
Uh huh.
And once a year they have a festival, the Cervantino.
Yes, we left right before it started.
And they, most of the years, they have really good artists.
There's the cathedral. I'm glad your GPS was working. That's so funny that the woman at the office asked if we're from San Miguel.
Yeah.
That is so funny.
Yeah, I believe it's not Venus, not community. Yeah.
Right.
There's no other explanation.
There is. It must be from there.
Where else can be?
Not even like crowded.
Well, not even here in Querétaro. I mean,
Yeah.
Right.
supposed to be a lot of Americans here. So,
Yeah.
so you can have
I take one of those.
someone who told you what's happening here.
Right. A tour guide.
Yeah.
Very interesting looking car.
Yeah. Yeah. It is.
Something nice was they just let us cross.
Yeah.
Some cities they don't do that.
Yeah. Also, give you guys, I know you guys need to know where we are sometimes. This is Kaale, Costero, C, Vega. And the cross street is Kaale, C, Vega, and Mercer. Oh, and this is Kaale. So the street that we're on is named Calle 16 de Septiembre, and Cianja was saying that that's Mexico's independence.
Ah.
Day.
Okay. Gotcha.
It's not Cinco de Mayo.
No. No.
Pues se quería confirmar
Oh.
cerveza,
Gracias.
margarita,
Oh.
piña
Oh.
colada.
Do you want some?
No.
Chéquenlo.
Where is it from?
Only drinks.
¿Dónde está?
Aquí tengo lugares afuera con equipales, bien a gusto el lugar.
It's okay. We'll go closer to the.
Okay.
Pueden tomar
Ok.
algo nada más si gustan.
No, muchísimas
¿No quieren
gracias.
comer?
Gracias. Buen día. Yeah.
Looks like mushrooms.
Mushrooms. Oh yeah, they do. They look like mushrooms. In Morelia, I noticed the way they do the trees in the center. They're not uniform all the time, but they're very neat. Look.
Michoacana. En Querétaro.
Oh, I thought you meant the stores.
No.
Oh.
No. The stores, it's obvious.
Those are everywhere.
In entire Mexico, they
Right.
have La Michoacana.
They got air conditioning, and that's what another thing they have here. They have air conditioning here. That's good.
Okay. I can just live with that.
has a cute little useless balcony.
Yeah, what do you do with that?
I guess it might. I don't know. I mean, I guess you might like standing on it. Standing in front of it. I don't know why you couldn't just build out more.
Yeah. I'll take on it with the truck in the building.
I don't know.